You're gonna say hi?
Tell me what happened. They picked on you? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Do you have something to say?
It literally.
No, please. Please, no. Please, no. Please, no.
What? Bro, stop all that history. You are really ugly.
What's up, Gary? Gary, I'm gonna fuck you up, Gary. Stop playing with me. I'm telling you, these are probably the friendliest birds you can ever. Chill.
Honk. Honk.
You can tell me, but I'd probably kill you. Probably got you. But, I know. I'm aware. Yeah.